Hello people, we're back! And this is not the usual place I do, but you've seen this. And remember my weird video when I was doing this? Yeah, that's the place, but like over here. I got this new Zombie Strike Jolt, and we're gonna review it. Okay, these things are really hard to like get off. Oh my god, it hurt. This thing hurt like it's really hard. Oh my god. Yes, I got the Nerf Jolt. Oh, here's the Nerf Jolt. What do I do with this? Duh. Nerf Jolt! Okay. Let's just... How do I get those out? How the heck do I get those out? Okay, I think I got it. Yeah, I think I got it. Somehow. This is really hard. Oh my god, this is so hard. Can you help me? What are you doing? Okay. Scissors. What are you? This is my sister. This is my sister. She's doing the video with me, and yeah. Oh my god, you're breaking them. Okay, got two. Let me straight. Well, okay. Now I just have to get the target out.